for the benefit of the people at large.
Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, along with Minister in charge of Tourism Paul Lingdo, on Friday distributed 4 categories of awards to 7 artisans and craftsmen from across Meghalaya at the Ateliers Meghalaya Awards 2023 held in Shillong. Speaking during the awards ceremony, Sangma said that the Ateliers Meghalaya project is dedicated to supporting artisans and craftspeople in Meghalaya. The project had started way back in 2021 with an aim to provide assistance to artisans from the state to develop their businesses, improve their products and assess new markets, he added.
Connect these qualities with the growth in the tourism sector is the way to actually unlock the potential that is there. And when you connect the artisans, the ateliers and the tourism sector and connect it to entrepreneurship and then provide a platform through something like the Meghalaya 8 store, which is now online, you can imagine the kind of impact it can have in terms of economics and livelihood creation. And that's really what the game plan is. Ultimately, we realize that many things are happening. People are doing things, people are good at it, they are passionate about it. They just require a bit of support to actually be able to take it to the next level.